updating so long, but this car has been a right pain to get it prepped up. And it's finally prepped up, and we are putting some colour on it. Okay, so all the hinges are back on, sealed up, see? The scuttles are being rubbed down, ready to paint with the hinges back on. So all the joints been sealed, like wipe in, wipe out. Door shuts. We're doing the shuts first because he's having this unique colour on his car, and the geezers, the owners, can't wait to see it. So all the inside's been sealed, sealed. So it's going to be fresh new sealers in there. Shuts. Been sealed this time. Not like the other time, just been covered up with rust, but this has actually been treated now, so it's been sealed. Door engine's been done. Let's get some paint on it and show you guys what it looks like. We're now painting the inside of the doors, the shuts, all sealed up. Brand new sealer. All done by hand. This one is all. We're just doing the shuts underneath the wings, so let's get to it.